Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if that antivirus software you installed years ago is actually enough to keep you safe today? In the world of cybersecurity, the threats have evolved, and so has the defense. Today, we're diving deep into the world of anti-malware. We'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's the ultimate digital immune system for your devices. Let's get started. First, let's clear up the confusion. People often use antivirus and anti-malware interchangeably, but there's a key difference. Think of antivirus as a basic door lock. It's designed to keep out known, classic threats like old-school viruses. Anti-malware, however, is like a complete smart home security system. It includes the lock, but also motion sensors, 24/7 monitoring, and AI-powered cameras. It is a broad category of software designed to prevent, detect, and remove a massive range of malicious software, or malware, including ransomware, spyware, and even threats that haven't been officially identified yet. So, how does it actually catch the bad guys? Modern anti-malware doesn't just wait for a virus to strike. It uses four main layers of intelligence. First, there is signature-based detection. This is like a most wanted poster. The software has a database of digital fingerprints of known malware. If a file matches a fingerprint, it's blocked instantly. Second is heuristic analysis. Instead of looking for a specific fingerprint, it looks for suspicious traits. If a program is wearing a digital mask and carrying digital lockpicks, the anti-malware flags it as a threat even if it's never seen that specific program before. Third, we have behavioral monitoring. This is real-time protection. It watches what a program does. If a file suddenly starts trying to encrypt all your photos at once, the anti-malware steps in and stops it mid-action. Finally, there's sandboxing. If the software is unsure about a file, it opens it in a safe, isolated virtual box. If the file explodes or acts maliciously inside that box, your actual computer stays perfectly safe. To understand why this is so important, let's look at what anti-malware stops. Take ransomware, for example. Remember the WannaCry attack? It locked up hospitals and businesses worldwide. Anti-malware is specifically built to detect those encryption patterns and stop them. Then there's spyware. This sits silently in the background, recording your keystrokes to steal your bank passwords. Anti-malware acts as a guard, finding these hidden spies and kicking them out. It also protects you from Trojan Horses, software that looks like a fun game or a helpful tool, but carries a hidden attack inside. By scanning every download, anti-malware ensures that what you see is actually what you get. Now, you might be asking, which one should I use? In 2025, you have great options. For personal use, Microsoft Defender has become incredibly powerful and comes built in with Windows. If you want an extra layer of cleanup power, Malwarebytes is famous for finding deep-rooted infections. For businesses, tools like CrowdStrike or SentinelOne use advanced AI to stop attacks before they even start. The most important thing? Keep your software updated. New threats are born every single day, and your anti-malware needs the latest intelligence to stay ahead of them. Cybersecurity might seem complex, but with a solid anti-malware strategy, you're already ahead of 90% of the threats out there. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simplified tech insights. What anti-malware are you using right now? Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe and stay secure.